If you're wondering what is the difference between transparency mode and noise cancellation mode, so in this video, I will explain quickly what both of them are. Now, if you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then if you go to settings, from here just tap on the name of your AirPods, and over here you will notice that you have the option for transparency mode and noise cancellation. Now, if you scroll down even more and under press and hold AirPod, if you tap on left or right, you will have a quick explanation of what both of them are. Now, let's start with noise cancellation. Now, basically, noise cancellation blocks out external sound or noise, like traffic sound or airplane engine sound, so you could focus more to what you're listening to through your AirPods. For example, if you're having a phone call in a busy area, then you can enable noise cancellation and it will block out all your surrounding noise so you can focus more on your phone call. But on the other side, you have transparency mode. And what transparency mode does is that it basically lets in external sounds. Now, this option is good that when you're wearing your AirPods and suddenly if you want to speak to someone, you can enable transparency mode. Basically, it will let in the sound or the voice of the person who you're speaking with. So you can have a normal conversation even when you're wearing your AirPods. So long story short, noise cancellation blocks out external sounds and transparency mode lets in external sounds. And this is the difference between noise cancellation and transparency mode. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.